The day Narendra Modi takes oath as India's 15th Prime Minister. His mantra, minimum government, maximum governance.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा.
Now that 100 days are complete, it's time to see how far the government has fulfilled its promises. A target of 8 lakh crores has been set for agricultural credit during 2014-15. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, 1,000 crores provided for assured irrigation. 100 crores for Kisan TV to disseminate real-time information to the farmers. Rashtriya Gokul Mission to protect indigenous breed of cows. Prime Minister's call for Come Make in India announced to the world that India is ready to become the manufacturing hub of the world and would also ensure zero defect and zero effect, playing its part in ensuring a cleaner planet.
अगर हिंदुस्तान के लाखों नौजवान एक आइटम लेकर के बैठ जाए, भारत दुनिया में एक्सपोर्ट करने वाला देश बन सकता है. और इसलिए मेरा आग्रह है नौजवानों से, विशेष करके छोटे मोटे उद्योगकारों से, 2 बातों में कॉम्प्रोमाइज न करें. एक, जीरो डिफेक्ट, दूसरा zero effect.
There are some sectors where we could not remain competitive, and as a result, a lot of electronics is being imported, and which is a huge drain as far as our foreign currency is concerned.
Each individual household will get a bank account. The Modi government launched Jan Dhan financial inclusion program in mission mode, savings, credit, remittances in phase 1 and insurance and pension in phase 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream project Swachh Bharat, by freeing India from open defecation, will be a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, whose 150th anniversary will be celebrated in 2019. Swachh Bharat aims at building over 800 million toilets and setting up modern sewage systems to make India free from open defecation and open drains in the next 5 years. The Modi government attaches huge importance to Mission Ganga, allocating 2,037 crore rupees for this fiscal, 100 crore rupees for ghat development and beautification in Kedarnath, Haridwar, Kanpur, Varanasi, Allahabad, Patna and Delhi. 50 essential generic drugs to be provided free to all people across the country, program to be rolled out in phases. A new health policy being framed. At the 5-Nation BRICS Summit in Brazil, India got the first presidency of the bank for 6 years. The bank will be called the New Development Bank, a name suggested by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister visited Japan, while External Affairs Minister visited Vietnam to strengthen India's Look East policy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's maiden speech at Red Fort as the nation celebrated its 68th Independence Day. It was powerful, forward-looking, and it established a direct link between him and the people.
आओ हम संकल्प करें, हम गरीबी को परास्त करें, हम विजय श्री को प्राप्त करें, भारत से गरीबी का उन्मूलन हो, उस सपनों को लेकर के हम चले.